Morning, my name is Kathy Norman, and today I'm going to talk to you about logging into Chain Factory. So let's go to the URL. The URL will be provided in a number of places, but here it is right here, beta.cf.nuls.io. And there's our login over there. When you click login, what you see right here is a small subset of the NULS wallet. And the NULS wallet enables you to manage the tokens in one or more accounts. And by managing the tokens, I'm saying that you can transfer the tokens from one location to another. You can create new accounts, as you can do here, and you can display the content of a particular account or what tokens are in that account. So we've already selected login. Let me take a look at the account that we're going to use. There's two accounts here. This account you would use for Lab 1, and the second account is Lab 2. Now both accounts contain the address for the account and the private key and password. What we're going to do is we're going to input the private key, and accompanying that, add the password. And it's with those two values that you can define your account to NULS. Now let's just type in the password, PASSWORD 123, and key import. This is success. When you have your address displayed here, you know that you have successfully imported it. Now I just want to draw your attention to one thing. In here, the last three characters was MCF, and yes, we have MCF. Now from here, you could go directly to Build Blockchain, but what I'm going to suggest that you do is select Backup Key Store. And what Key Store is a file that is downloaded to your laptop, and then you can simply select this key store file the next time you want to log in to your wallet. And then instead of having to copy and paste your private key, you simply provide the file and the password, and the rest of it will just follow through. It will collect all the information from the file and associate your account with that particular wallet URL. Now, let's go back. We're creating the key store, so we're going to enter the password, 123. There we go, and you can see it's being downloaded. Now, from here, complete backup or build blockchain. However you wish to get there, this is what it looks like. And once again, there's more than one place where you can select your blockchain that you want to do. We'll select it from up here. And these are the 5 stages of building your blockchain. As you go through this process, it will automatically move from one stage to another, and you can go back to a previous stage if there's something that you want to change. At the end, confirm the order, and this will give you a full display of everything that you have ordered. I recommend that you do a screenshot of this so that you have it. And when you're satisfied that this is what you wish to order, you can simply select confirm the order, and at that time your account will be debited the 2,000 NULS or the 3,000 NULS, depending upon what it is that you've ordered for your blockchain. Now there is something else I want to show you before I wrap up here. And just go to this little person here and select User Center. When you select User Center, what you get is this account information and the available balance. So this is how you can confirm what account you're using and also make sure that you have enough tokens in there for what it is that you wish to purchase. And with the same guy, you can go to Login Out, and at this point in time, select Login Out, Once again, enter your password. And you have successfully logged in, created your blockchain, and then logged out. Thanks. I look forward to sharing with you more information about the blockchain, and have a great day.